Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm an event planner at the Orange County Library System. I plan author events and writing workshops, and since we're not able to have those at the library right now, I invited some of my publishing friends to provide writing tips for you. This next one is from editor Stephen Morgan.
Hi, I'm Stephen Morgan. If you want to know more about me, go to stephenedits.com. Right now, I'm here to help my buddy Sarah with a video on one of my favorite writing tips. Excuse my cat in the background. Our topic, 3 questions to help you figure out the point of your story. Question number 1, is it difficult? Is the point of the story difficult? So, if the answer is no, then that's not the point of the story. What it means for a character to accomplish their goal depends on the character. That's the first point. The next point is just to remember this phrase. Your character goes after something against great odds. Whatever they want. Whatever stands in their way. That's the point of the story. Make that difficult enough that it takes an entire book to achieve. Okay, that's question number 1. Question number 2. Does it take time? This trips up so many writers. Here's the issue. A character's goal can't merely be a transitory action. What does that mean? If all someone has to do to win is make a decision, or realize something, or learn a secret, you're going to struggle to fill up an entire book. Some problems are interesting, but don't take long to resolve. Those are short stories, or novellas, or Twitter threads. If you're writing a novel, think about how long it will take you to resolve the story. Question number 3. What does it look like? What does the point of the story look like? So, the point of a story tends to work best if there's a recurring visual representation, a defining image, and a defining emotion that embodies what you want the reader to take away from the story. It's satisfying for the reader to have a clear description or an image of the character before and after they succeed. Before and after. When you think about this question, what does the point look like? Ask yourself, is your point as simple as stating the theme? It depends on the depth and length of the book, but generally the point of a book can't be as simple as one sentence. You can't sum it up like that. So if I'm reading a romance, and the theme is, you can't have love without trust. So come on, you can't just tell me the theme and that's it. The point of the story, if it's a category romance, how you spend about 55,000 words manifesting an experience that makes me believe in my core in a way that goes beyond words. It's true. So to repeat your 3 questions to determine the point of your story. Number 1, is it difficult? Number 2, does it take time? Number 3, what does it look like? Hope these tips help all you writers out there. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about writing workshops and see more videos, visit ocls.info/writerscorner. Orange County Library System is your place to learn, grow, connect.